This is Tony Victor, and I'm doing a short reading from the book Life is Real Only Then When I Am by G.I. Gurdjieff. This is page 17 of the prologue. In my past life, being forever merciless to my natural weaknesses and almost all the time jealously keeping watch over myself, I could attain almost anything within the limits of man's possibilities, and in some fields attained even to such a degree of power as not one man, perhaps not even in any past epoch, had ever attained. For instance, the development of the power of my thoughts had been brought to such a level that by only a few hours of self-preparation I could from a distance of tens of miles kill a yak, or in 24 hours could accumulate life forces of such compactness that I could in 5 minutes put to sleep an elephant. At the same time, in spite of all my desires and endeavors, I could not succeed in remembering myself in the process of my general common life with others so as to be able to manifest myself not according to my nature, but according to the previous instructions of my collected consciousness. I could not attain the state of self-remembering even sufficiently to hinder the associations flowing in me automatically from certain undesirable hereditary factors in my nature. As soon as the accumulation of energies which enabled me to be in an active state was exhausted, at once associations of both thoughts and feelings began to flow in the direction of objects diametrically opposed to the ideals of my consciousness. When I found myself in a state of complete dissatisfaction with food and sex, the leading factor of these associations of mine appeared to be primarily vindictiveness, and, in a state of full satisfaction, they proceed on a theme of the forthcoming pleasure of a meal and sex, or of the gratification of self-love, vanity, pride, jealousy, and other passions. I thought deeply to myself and tried to find out from others about the reasons for such a terrible situation within my inner world, but could not clarify anything at all. From one side, it is clear that it is necessary to remember myself during the process of ordinary life also, and from the other side, that there is a necessity for the presence of attentiveness which is able to merge in case of contact with others. Though in my past life I had tried everything, even had worn reminding factors of all kinds on my person, nothing helped. Perhaps these did a little while I carried them on me, but if so, it was only at the beginning. As soon as I stopped carrying them or got used to them in a moment, it was as if before. Thanks for watching. Go to my project page at kundaliniquicksilver.com to find out how you can get this book and the tarot deck as a free gift. Like and subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram, Quicksilver Astrology. Thanks.